guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to use Merry and Bright. These are new stickers that are available in my shop, pleasantlyplanned.com. We have the matching boxes and the 3 different sizes of sticker sheets, and I'm also going to be using Christmas quotes. I said in my last video that it's not even cold here, but I am going to pretend like it is, and we're going to decorate for Christmas in my planners just because I can. So it doesn't really ever get cold here until like January, and by then Christmas is gone. So we're just gonna decorate for Christmas because I'm dying to use these new stickers that I've got. I'm gonna use, this is some really pretty holiday themed red washi. I think this is, I can't remember what this is called, this pattern, something tooth, houndstooth maybe, I don't remember. But I got this at Michael's last year in their Christmas, like their Christmas planner supplies. And then I think I'm going to use this one too. This is an Amazon skinny washi that's listed down in the description box below. So I'm going to try to use these two to decorate the horizontal spread. I did not decorate for the current week at all. I've just been busy working on orders for you guys. And I had some other videos that were posted for y'all. So I don't feel too terrible about not decorating my spreads for the current week. So, all right, let's see what we can do. I want to do something. I'm so happy I brought back my large sticker sheets, and you guys are too, because y'all have ordered a lot of these large sticker sheets in the last week or so. But I want to do something in the way of like some clusters. I want to do some clusters, kind of sporadically, or not sporadically. We need to be kind of intent on the way we do our clusters, but I want to do some cute little clusters in this spread. So let's see kind of what we can do now. I'm going to take this one. So we're going to go, I'm actually going to try to do something here and here, and maybe here. So then we need to go here, here, and here. So we're going to probably cover up a lot of dates and days, but that is going to be okay, because I've used this layout long enough that I know this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I'm not going to spaz out if I cover up dates and days. I would rather it be pretty and still functional. So that's what we're going for. Okay, so we're going to go, oops, my planner's falling. Don't fall. I got a whole stack of orders here that I just got done filling. Sorry, I didn't film that one. Filming those, packing those orders, it takes a while. So I needed to kind of be efficient with getting some more orders out. Oh, excuse me, I'm tired, y'all. And it's only 3 o'clock. 6:30 is early in the morning. It's too early for me, but we do it. So, okay. So we're going to put this little box here, little gift box. You know what? I just had an idea. Let's try to do something like all the way across here. Let's see if that'll work out. So what can we do? We can take a floral and place it like right there. Oh, I don't know what this is going to look like, but we're about to find out. And I'm not going to use that big one. Let's use these two and just kind of layer a couple little snowflakes there. And then we could do a little bit of washi. So let's take a little bit of washi. This washi is wonky right here. It's folded. Don't know why. Take that, put that there, and then take this and go up here. I'm just winging it, y'all. Don't judge. Don't judge me. I'm winging it. We're going to see how it turns out. Okay. Cute. It's cute. So let's go ahead with some washi down here. And so we ripped those, so we're going to have to rip this one. It's hard to rip, and it's just a small little piece. But yeah, this washi is going to be adorable. Let me grab my ruler so I can try to attempt to cut this down the center. Perfect. Okay. And then we're going to do a little bit of washi up here. So we actually don't need a whole lot. Okay. Yep, I like it already. Loving it already. Okay. So now, should we just continue to do, I don't know, decisions. I don't know if I should continue to do like clusters, like maybe a quote here and a box here, and just kind of cluster there and leave these spots blank. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Let's think. I'm going to put this gift up here. And I think I'm going to hang these down here. And again, we're going to cover up the day, but I'm not going to freak over it. I really like this. I think it's super cute. And I'm thinking about putting a quote up here. Like maybe joy to the world. And then maybe one down here like Christmas blessings. It's crooked. It's very different. Let's try to put a couple boxes in and see what turns out. So I'm thinking about putting green box down here. Maybe a green box over here. No, I feel like I need to fill in right here. And then we're going to take a pink box and put somewhere over here. Okay. This is very different. This is not my norm at all, but I kind of like it. So now I want to try to maybe do some washi somewhere, this little cute blue washi. So why don't we just kind of do like we normally do with the horizontal layout and just put some on the lines. Yep, I like it. And even though I covered up right there, I still like the way it looks. So let's go over here. And should I put some on that gray too? I'm going to. Except I'm going to, no, I'm not. I'm going to go up until we get to that wording, and then I'll cut. Like there. And there. Yeah, this is super cute. Look how cute it is already. Okay, so let's go here. And here. I wasn't sure about this washi, but now I'm glad I decided to use it because it's just really making this whole spread pop. Look how cute it is already. Just like so simple, but so cute already. So I don't think I'm really going to add anything else anywhere. I think even though it's not my norm, I think it looks really cute the way that I just did that diagonal, the diagonal little clusters. So I'm happy with it. So let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You'll have to let me know in the comments below because, oh, I need to punch these because this is definitely like not my norm. But it's fun to do different and be different occasionally. So this is the crocodile punch with by We Are Memory Keepers. Pretty sure that I have this linked down in the description box below. It's just a much easier way to punch when you only have a couple of disc hole punches to punch on each page. So We Are Memory Keepers, crocodile. It's down in the description below. And now we can put it back in our planner. So let me know down in the comments below. I started to say the box below. In the comments below, if you guys have ordered your stickers from my website and gotten them 50% off. So yeah, just share it with everybody and let us know what you ordered. I got my pages curled here. I pulled my washi too tight. But yeah, I like it. I like the way it turned out. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.